Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about amazing top 5 websites where you can get the free vector images, free Cliparts, free graphics. Sites are new for me and maybe you haven't heard about them. So consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want the more freebies, more free stuffs, the link are in description box below, or simply head over to globalcreative.com, check over to the freebie section and download all the freebies that we have, and make sure to check it out each month because we will be adding more each month and it contains full commercial license so you can use it. So let's over to my laptop and I'm going to show you. We are on the laptop and I'm going to show you the 5 websites where you can get the free Cliparts, where you can get the free vector images, free graphics for your print-on-demand websites. Now the first website that I have for you is OpenClipa.org. I'm going to leave the link of all these websites in the description box below. You can simply head over and grab the free stuffs. The first website is the OpenClipa.org. OpenClipa 12 new Cliparts in the last 24 hours. So you can get a lot of the Cliparts, free Cliparts from this website. And you can see the different varieties of the Clipart they have, like ranging from a simple line art, the simple black and white, to colorful like this one. You see the different kinds of Clipart images they have, and you can download it. Like this one is a little bit cute, like it's really look amazing. You can edit it and you can use it. So you can just ask the questions if you want to ask to them, or you can just simply click over to any clip. A bunch of the different free Cliparts, and they have over 166,379 Cliparts, and in the last 24 hours they have added the 12 new Cliparts. So they keep on adding more to their library, and they started back in 2004. It's all free. You can log in and join in this on this platform and can contact them. This is their support email, and you can read the privacy license. Make sure to read their license stuff while downloading these Cliparts, so to be on the safer side. So make sure you read the license agreement and you use it according to it guys. Don't violate the license agreement of any website. You just read them and see whether they allow you to use in the print on demand platforms or not, and how to use it. Just read it and go through the license and check it out for yourself. So I'm going to leave the link of this is in the description box below. Now moving on to the second website that I have for you is IconMonster.com. So this is another amazing website which I came across recently, and it has like discovered 4,512 plus free icons in 316 collections. So they have thousands of free icons. You can check on, they have the icons as well, iconic font as well. Let me just scroll down and you can see the bunch of the free icons they have, and you can download them. These are amazing. If you want to create your print on demand design, you can use these Cliparts, or you can use these icons and can place in your design, and then add the different details to your design and can use it. So these are the few things. Make sure you check out the license agreements regarding using this icon on this platform. You can read the about section and you can go much detail about this thing, about it's updated, and they have thousands of icons. That is a free icon, so which you can download it, which is pretty amazing. IconMonster.com. Now moving on to the third website that I have for you is FreeVector.com. You get the free vector images from this website. So let me just scroll down and show you exactly what kind of vector images you can expect. Now these are the different kinds of vector images you can see. These are pretty amazing guys. You can just go through the different vector images they have. So this is the browse by the popular categories. You can browse by the popular category like the abstract, animals, background, and what are the different categories that are quite popular, and download according to it. Written a disclaimer: all original artworks are the property of FreeVector.com. Any other artwork or logos are property and trademarks of their respective owners. So they started back in 2004. So make sure you use their stuffs very well. Read the terms and conditions. Like you can go over to the terms and conditions, read that. You can sign up and log in over here, and you can read about FreeVector, contact them. It will try guys. Like you can see all those stuffs over here, but please read the license, guys. It's really important. Don't miss the license of any website from which you are uploading any kind of graphic, whether it's free, whether it's paid. To be on the safer side, it's the best to read it and use it the way they are saying you. If they are saying that you can't use it directly, don't use it, guys, because you might get copyright or trademark issues and you might get into the trouble. So it's better to follow the terms and conditions, because these hours or these graphics have been made by these websites and uh, they are the owners of these artworks. So obviously you need to follow them if you're downloading anything from these websites. But like you're getting the free vectors, guys, you don't need to make a one. Like you can see these are made by some artist and these are the free one. Like you can download it and use it. Now moving on to the fourth website that I have for you is vectorforfree.com. It's another amazing website where you can get the free vector images and you can just log on to the profile. Now I have logged into this profile for some experimentation, but you don't need to do that if you don't want to do it. Just read the terms of use, how to use their vectors on this website. You can contact them and you can see all the things about it. Now the featured free vector art, you can see what kind of vector art you can download from this website. Here are the backgrounds, Christmas, and then this kind of like a bunch of the small illustrations and graphics. They add the new vectors this week. These are the vectors that have been added this week. You can check it out, guys. It's an awesome website. Like these are the websites that are offering in free. Most of them are completely for free. They don't have the paid option. So either they are making the money by the ads on their website, or either they have the terms of use license agreement, which you need to go through them to see whether they allow you to use it in the print on demand designs or not. So make sure you do that. Then you browse by the popular categories. You can browse according to the shopping, the size, the ornaments, all these different kinds of categories. And if I just go over to their terms of use, guys, just for the second, and let's see what the terms of use they have. So you can read that your use of the vectorforfree.com site, the viewing or downloading of any content from vectorforfree.com site grants you only a limited non-exclusive recoverable license for use solely for your own personal use, not for replication, distribution, assignment, or sublicense or transfer, sale, preparation of derivative works, or other non-personal use. No part of any content, graphic, or document may be reproduced in any form or incorporated into any information retrieval system. So your right to access this site.com membership may be terminated any time by Vector for Free without notice. So please follow it very well and don't infringe on the copyright and all that. And if you want the more details, you can contact the site members, the site owner, about this thing and all. So that's the thing, guys. Now moving on to the last website for this video is Undraw.co, C-O-Co, Undraw. So this is a kind of like a different website. You can see the open source illustrations for any ideas you can imagine and create. A constantly updated design project with beautiful SVG images that you can use completely free and without attribution. So this is synopsis. You can read about it, the related words and styles. So we're just gonna go over to the browse now option, and you can see it's created by Katerina Limpit Sauni. It's created by that person. So we're just gonna click over to the browse now option and click to download. Use the on-the-fly color image generation to match your brand identity. Okay. So you can change the color from here. Here you can see the majority of the images are in the blue color. Like you can see it's all in the blue. But if you want a different color, you can come over here and you can change the color. Just click over here, change the color. If I change it to green, now it's changing the green, guys. You can see. If I change it to red, it changes to red. If I change it to yellow, it changes to yellow. So you can change the color of these icons according to your need and can have in the different colors. So that's another huge unique thing about this website, that you can have the colors of the illustrations as you want, the way you want to, like blue, green, whatever color. You can just go over here, you can read for the designers, and you can read all those stuffs over here, and make sure you read the license agreement and these kind of stuffs they have on the platform. And since I selected this kind of color, so you can see the color is different over here. A few websites, guys, I feel like you can get the FreeVector images from these websites. Some of them allow you to use them for the commercial use and others don't allow you, so make sure you check their license agreement, and if you have any doubt, just contact these websites. And also, guys, I am not sponsored or I'm not affiliate to any of these websites to talk in this video. I'm just talking it based on my own personal experience and knowledge, and because I see that may be helpful to you guys, that's why I'm talking this video. I'm not sponsored or I'm not an affiliate to any of these websites. So I'm just going to leave all the link in description box below. You can click on the websites and you can check them, read the license agreement, and if you have any doubt regarding the license agreement, make sure you contact the website owner, the owner of these websites, and ask them your question and so on and so forth. Since I haven't used them personally by myself, so I can't say much in more depth, but I see that it's an awesome thing that I can share with you guys. That's what I did in this video, and I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below. But that's today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below. Have you ever heard about these websites? Have you ever downloaded any vector images from these websites? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing to our channel because we post daily videos and you'll be get notified about it when we post more such video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Good luck. Bye, guys.